presentation where I will explain difficulty chosen by Grabando and define technology value. Course, valuation and negotiation of technology. Concept math. Difficulty faced by companies in Colombia to value in the technology innovation. Lack of information on products codes. Recommendation. Companies must they intro a code technology as a fundamental pillar to create value to their products or services. Hire personnel specialists in the investigation of technological valuation to be able advise on everything related to this topic. It is of vital importance for the maturity and veracity of the information to gain the figures of the production costs. Conclusions. It is important to understand the evaluation of technology and innovation as fundamental factor to add value the companies. The Colombian industry has a huge delay in the assessment of this technology. We are the developing country and future engineers are key to close that gap. Thank you.